What's up, world, and welcome back to Daily Dose of Dani. Today I'm here with my dog, Hippo. Hippo, come here. Come here. Hippo, it's your turn to come on. Hippo, and we are going to be playing tag with your dog. So, let's get on with the video. Things that you need for this activity. You need your dog, yourself, and a big open running space to play tag with your dog. The tagger will run after the runner. Then, when the tagger tags the runner will now be the tagger, and the tagger will now be the runner. Then you keep on going until you want to stop. So, let's go play, Hippo! Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications for all my news videos. Bye! Tune in next time for your Daily Dose of Dani.